As I said, recently also there were many researches on yoga. I was also an in charge of yoga project on diabetes. And we have all seen that yes, yoga can cure many disorders, psychosomatic disorders very easily when it is successfully and logically, scientifically given to the patient. Even Nimans and Bangalore Institute of Yoga, they are all working for the research in yoga. Now recently there were many studies on obesity, neuroticism. Recently Kaivaladham also had one project on suicidal tendency in school-going children, college students, youngsters. We have taken survey of more than 1 lakh people and they were selected for the yogic practices, yogic treatment, and we found very good results to eliminate this suicidal tendency. And we say generally that whoever is practicing yoga, there is no depression in his life. We are surprised to see how people get depressed. That is because they are not doing yoga. And traditional yoga is also only helpful in this connection, in this proper approach. Not the power yoga or hot yoga. No. Now recently there is beer yoga also. Oh no. Only traditional yoga practices like 16 asanas from Hatha Pradipika, 32 asanas from Kiran Sanhita, etc. Only they are sufficient. Even they are very hard to be practiced. We have to modify them. So, even in educational field, we have seen that the intellectual level of the children will be enhanced through yoga. I wanted to say that there were many studies, still they are being done on patients to see the effect of yoga treatment. But it is definite that in our yoga therapy application, that lifestyle corrections and management of good diet along with the yoga they are very, very essential. That can bring great happiness to the patient. Now we will see in short the supporting therapies, supporting to our yoga therapy. Number one, I told you already that observance of yama and niyam. So every patient has to be given the complete understanding of these yam and niyam. Then he understands that he has to behave in this way. Because that has got a long-term bearing on the mental health of the patient. They are so important. So patient has to be guided for these yamas and niyamas. Ayurvedic Tridosh theory will also help us by simply taking the Nadi Pariksha, observing the patient, whether he is having more Pitta side, Vata side, or Kapha side. So that also we can see. So these are all supporting, even homeopathy, Ayurvedic medicines. Unani medicines, naturopathy, mud therapy, sun therapy, water therapy, then massage, acupressure, they all will help and they will support our main yoga therapy. Main thing is changing the lifestyle. Because of our modern life, our lifestyle has been disturbed. Now it is very wrong lifestyle. कभी भी उठेंगे, कभी भी सोएंगे, रात देर तक सोएंगे. See, now this corona has taught us to wash our hands, feet when we come back from the market. Previously also, our parents were telling us same thing. So all these things are happening. Ayurveda says sadachar, that is ideal behavior, is also necessary. Then exact diet, proper diet, which should be nutritional as well as less in quantity. Morning walk, yes, morning walk, Surya Namaskar. Then proper mental frame of the patient is also necessary. It is also important. So yoga therapists will observe the patient nicely, his mental behavior, thinking. Next is proper rest, sleep and relaxation. All these three things are different. Good sleep for 7-8 hours for youngsters, 6 hours for elders, 9 hours for children, necessary. Proper rest and relaxation is also necessary for support to the yoga therapy. Rational thinking, peaceful mind, proper entertainment, that is also very good, very well required. Because agitation, irritation in the mind, nervousness in the mind will give obstacles to healing process. So we should remain calm and quiet, stable in our mind. So these are all necessary things. Next thing is we require humor, supporting, laughter. Only human beings can laugh. No other animal can laugh. Have you seen dogs laughing? No, only human beings. So the laughter or the humor can produce indispensable joyfulness in our mind, great happiness. And these jokes or humors, they are analgesic in nature. They are real painkillers. They can relieve our pain, mental pain, even headache can be cured when we laugh. See, children are laughing 300 to 400 times. How many times we laugh? And now in lockdown, we are all at home. How many times we laugh? We should. So because of the comedy, humor, we have chances to laugh. When we smile, keep smiling, laughing. These are all emotional, positive emotions. They can enhance our healing power. What we should avoid? Hate, hatred, negative, dissatisfaction. This we should avoid, because that will disturb our mental peace, and that is why they will diminish our immunity also. तो इसलिए and devotion. So Shraddha, patience, devotion. Even Sai Baba also says Shraddha and Saburi. So patient should have Shraddha that our Rishi Munis has given a treasure and we are using it. So definitely I will be cured completely. Shraddha होनी चाहिए, संयम भी होना चाहिए. कुछ पेशेंट है ना, they become impatient. डॉक्टर मैं कब ठीक हो जाऊंगा, जल्दी क्या है, हो जाएंगे. So saburi, patience is required on the part of the patient when we give him yoga therapy. Bhakti, devotional aspect is also necessary. Patanjali has told us Ishwar Pranidhan. So faith in God, devotion for the God, bhakti is also highly required when we do yoga therapy. So here we stop. We have seen different aspects of yoga therapy, main principles, how we should apply the application part therapy, how we can cure the patient, not the disease. So we have seen all these aspects very well. I thank you all for listening me quietly, patiently, with great patience, because disturbances because of the internet clarity or range. I would like to thank the director, Dr. Srikant Deshmukh, for inviting me for the lecture. I would like to thank Mrs. Shubhangi Ravle, Dr. Prakash Zod sir, even Deshmukh sir, for their constant, they have taken so much pain to record my lecture. And I have also taken, but they have not become irritated. They have shown their patience to record my lecture. So I must thank them. With thanks to all of you again, I stop here. Welcome the questions